Hi, my name is Diana, the Dummy Cook, and Thanksgiving is around the corner. What are you cooking? Okay, so maybe it's not cooking just for Thanksgiving. Maybe you have a lot of people coming over and you really want to impress them. So let's review some holiday recipe ideas. Now, the first thing will be the turkey, right? And you're thinking, I'm not making a turkey here. Well, actually, if it's a small turkey, you totally can. Here in the Varoma, you can feed a small turkey and it will be delicious. But many of the recipes that we're going to give you are combined with the stove and with the oven. While preparing a holiday meal, you're making a lot of recipes. So the Thermomix is a second set of hands. You might be making the turkey in the oven and the Thermomix will be preparing the sauce. Or if you chose a turkey recipe here, the Thermomix will be making a lot of the steps and guiding you on what to do in the oven with the turkey as well. So let's not wait any longer. Let's review those recipes and see how much you like them. Alright, so here we have turkey and meats. Look at all these amazing things that you can do. Like I said, yes, many times with the help of the oven, but look at all these ideas. Then you can also make the sauce. Look at all of this, cranberry, gravy. And yes, we have the stuffing for you. What will be Thanksgiving without a stuffing?
Yep.
Now look at these greens recipes.
Yummy.
So healthy and good. And we could not be missing our potatoes and squash recipes or casseroles. And one of my favorite things to do with Thermomix, mashed potato, mash anything. And of course, I love making soups with Thermomix.
Wow.
Can you believe you can make salads too?
Yummy.
Of course, it chops for you and it prepares the dressing for you as well. Ooh, let's make bread. All sorts of bread. Yes, Thermomix can knead. Do you know that? And you can use it all day long. Look at the snacks you can prepare for your guests. And last but not least, pancakes, cakes galore, pies. I cannot wait for Thanksgiving now. So now I have a little secret for you. Back in the day, I had to host 2 Thanksgiving parties for my friends. And you know what I did? I had to run to Marie calendars and buy everything done already. Because remember, the dummy cook, I cannot cook for my life. Now I don't have that problem. On the contrary, I'm looking forward to Thanksgiving and my only problem is choosing what to make. Last year, I made 10 recipes all by myself. Okay, fine, you helped me. Yes, you did. And it was amazing. I love taking care of my family. So what are you making for Thanksgiving? Can you put it in the comments? Thank you so much for watching. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and if you need a Thermomix in your life, you know what to do. My purchase link is in the comments and it gives you free shipping. But please contact me anyway because I would love to be there for you. Thank you.